Happy New Year, everybody! Today we got in the brand new premium Replica Entertainment Q case. This case is sweet. It's got a couple of new models that have never been done before, that were made just for Replica Entertainment. I'm really excited today about these two. We're going to give you a top-down view of this case real quick. 10-card case. There's a nice little view. We're just going to go 2 by 2. The first 2 cars in the replica case are the KITT Super Pursuit mode. This car is awesome. They've only done this one other time to my knowledge, and it was about, I don't know, 6 years ago maybe. And this car, if you can find it, really hard to find. It looks like they've made some upgrades to this one. That is awesome. So this is the KITT Super Pursuit mode. Love it. The next car in the case is the Ghost Rider Dodge Charger. It's got really sweet blue Real Riders on it. I have a feeling that there's going to be some customizers taking those off. There's the Ghost Rider Dodge Charger. Oh yeah, this right here is one of the new cars in the case. This is the Masters of the Universe Wind Raider. Fabulous secret powers were revealed to me the day I held aloft my magic sword and said, "By the power of Grayskull, I have the power." That's a sick car. Excuse me. The next car in the case, oh yeah, it's the Thundercats Thunder Tank. Again, another car, first time we've ever seen it. That's sick, guys. I don't know if you guys watched He-Man or Thundercats. It's got the nice little Thundercats symbol on it. Thundercats Classic. Very cool. The last 2 cars in the case are the LOTUS Esprit S1, which they've done this a couple of times. You know what I want to do real quick? I want to open up the Thundercats and the He-Man and just show you a little bit closer here. Let's pop this thing open. Wow, the packaging is good too. Here we go. Get a look at the Thundercats. Looks like the arms move up and down, just like on the cartoon. There's the Thundercats. And then we're going to open a Masters of the Universe real quick. Here's a good look at the Masters of the Universe car. Looks like the wings move nice. The gun moves on the turret. Check out those 2 new models there, guys. Thank you again for following us and supporting us. Happy New Year. This is Wheel Collectors, hot off the truck.